potential of AI. It needs to be used every day by everyone. So if people aren't using the tools they have already access to, what makes us think GenAI is going to be any different? A big reason is the myth that this technology is different. The generative AI is easy to use. And in some ways, it is. ChatGPT reached 1 million users just 5 days after launching. But to truly transform the way you work, the reality is that it isn't that easy. Because think about all the things you need to learn in order to make GenAI work for you. You have to know what the AI can do, what capabilities are available to you. You have to know how to prompt it to get what you need and when to question the outputs. And you have to know when and where to use it, how it fits into your daily workflows. It's a pull model. It requires you to seek out the AI and give it all the contents it needs to help you, rather than have it pushed to you, ready to go when and where you need it most.